B, are you ready to have a shower, B? B, are you going to use our spa? Ooh. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I'm showing you our homemade pool spa made for my husband. Well, this is the jets. We have 3 jets. And we have this filter. What is it? Pump. Oh, this is a pump, and it gets heat from this copper coil. This serves as the heating element of this pool spa. We just have to put some wood in it.
We have to put some wood and stop wife putting full of leaves and choking it.
Not including that
Don't
word.
forget the leaves.
So yeah, from there up to going through here. And if you want it heated, you have to start early, like now. What time is it? 4 o'clock? If you want to use it at night, because it will take time to heat up.
3 hours, no, it's because the little pump uses too much power from the batteries.
Yes.
And then the power turns off in the night.
Oh, you want to have power at night, so that's the connection. There. The pump inlet.
Yeah, it's a pump inlet.
All right.
One sucks in, one blows out.
Okay. Which one is sucking in?
That's right.
All right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Cheche here once again, and for today I'm in the bush. Can you hear that? That's my husband's motorbike. So I'll just be over here in the riverside. So I'm just enjoying myself with my dogs. See, there are so many stones around here in this river, and yeah, look at it. Daghan kay glugod, or you call it pumice. I'd like to say shout out to my sister Cindy. Thank you for helping me with my vlogs and to be in it as well, although you don't want to show your face. Oh dear. Hoi. Hoi. Oh, my dogs doesn't really care if I'm vlogging or not. They just want to enjoy themselves. Oi. I'm just here in the bush, relaxing. I'll let you see the view. Hang on. The view. It's so peaceful. I don't know about quiet. My husband's really noisy with my nephew and my niece. So yeah, so peaceful. Hi Baba. They're relaxed. And you're relaxed, are you? Are you relaxed? Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep you updated on my new post.